Be honest. How many hours do you spend texting every single day? Now, imagine if every one of those messages actually paid you real money. Sounds crazy, right? But it is real. And today, I will show you 10 apps that do exactly that. Today, we are going to be diving into something that sounds almost too good to be true, making money online by sending text messages. We will find out if this is a legit side hustle or just another internet scam. And I will walk you through 10 real platforms that actually pay you for texting. By the end, you will know exactly which one of these is worth your time and which one might fit your lifestyle best. So, grab your drink, settle in, and if you love videos that plug you into legit online opportunity like this, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe. All right, let's get into it. So the first app that I'm going to be talking about is Texting Factory. Now, starting with Texting Factory, this one is one of the most popular platforms that actually pays you to chat. Yeah, you work as a chat operator, like handly friendly or casual text-based conversations. No webcam, no calls, just pure typing. They don't require prior experience, but you do need to be fluent in English and have a laptop or tablet with internet access. On average, users earn around $300 per week, but if you are consistent and handle higher paying campaigns, you could make up to $800 weekly. It is flexible, it is anonymous, and the more messages you handle, the more you earn. Now, moving on to the second app. This second app is called Text Kings, and this is also another solid one. This one, they hire chat operators to handle SMS style conversations and pay you per message. Yeah, their focus is on professionalism. Like, you need to maintain professionalism and also positive client relationship. So this one is perfect for anyone who can type quickly and chat politely, and the pay is around $10 to $14 per hour. Depends on message type. So if you put in 40 hours a week, that's roughly $40 to 560 per week. It's not bad for something you can literally do from your home. Now, app number three that we're going to be talking about is text one-to-one chat. Now, this platform is very straightforward. You can earn as much as 0.07 per message, like 7 cents per message. And most operators who stay active full time earn about $480 a week. The best part, it is fully remote. Like, you can just log in, chat, and get paid. If you are that kind of person who can multitask while chatting, this is a pretty chill way to earn on the side. Now, moving on to app number four. This is called Chat Recruit. Number four is Chat Recruit, and this one pays a lot more. You can earn by texting, chatting, or if you are comfortable, even doing webcam chats. Now, since this is going to be a faceless and family safe channel, let's be clear. You can stick strictly to test only chats here. Like, testing rates vary, but some operators report earnings up to like $250 per message. We can go as high as $800, which can go as high as $800 a week if you stay active. This platform has been around for a while and is known for paying on time. Now, moving on to app number five. This is called Fletbox. All right. Number five is a little bit spicy. It's called Fletbox, and as the name suggests, it is more light-hearted and casual. You get paid to engage in friendly, flirty chats with other users. You can earn up to 40 cents per minute, and the average person working full time makes around $960 a week, like paid directly to your PayPal. You just sign up, verify your ID, and start chatting. But remember, only do what you are comfortable with. Emphasis on comfortable. Now, moving on to app number six. This is called Chat Operator Jobs. At number six, we have chatoperatorjobs.com. This is a well-known platform. It has been around for years, and they pay around 20 cents per message. and they're open to applicants worldwide. Before you start, you take a quick typing and comprehension test. Once approved, you can choose your chat assignment and get paid via PayPal, bank transfer, or even check. It's reliable, flexible, and you get paid weekly. Yeah. Now, speaking of app number 7, this is called Arise. And this one is for those who prefer something a little bit more professional. Arise connects freelancers with companies that need customer service and live chat support. So you basically choose the brand you want to work with, create your schedule, and get paid per hour. Your rates range between $10 to $20 per hour. So that is up to like $800 weekly if you go full time. The cool part is you are not chatting randomly. You're actually helping people solve real problems for real companies. Yeah. So this one is for like professionals. Now moving on to app number 8. This is called Working Solutions. And I already made a video about this, so it only makes sense that it made it to this list. Now, this is another legit company that hires remote chat agents for customer support. They pay around 20 to $30 per minute. They pay around 20 cents to 30 cents per minute, which can totally roughly go to about $600 a week if you are consistent. They also offer other non-chat roles like email support and virtual assistant tasks. It's professional, safe, and open to freelancers globally. So anywhere you are in the world, you can work with this company. Now moving on to app number 9. This is called Mod Squad, and it's a favorite among freelancers. They hire online moderators and chat agents to manage communities, handle messages, and keep things positive. So, if you enjoy communicating and problem solving, this might be your lane. The pay ranges from $10 to $15 per hour, depending on the project. So, if you stay active, that's around $400 to $800 weekly. You'll be chatting for gaming platforms, social media brands, or online forums. It's super interesting work if you love online communities. So, this is for people that enjoy actually moderating communities. You're going to make a lot from this one. And the final one, which is a fan favorite, is called Rent a Cyber Friend. Yeah, this platform pays you to chat with people who just want friendly conversation or companionship. So it could be through text, it could be voice, it could be video, but you choose your comfort level. So if you are not comfortable with video calls, you can opt for text and voice. Rates go from like $10 to $50 per hour, depending on what you offer. And here's what is wild: with just 20 hours a week, some people earn between $200 and 1,000 weekly. And let me be honest, while it pays the most, it's also the one I would say be careful with. Always protect your personal boundaries and privacy. So if you treat it like a friendly professional service, it can be a great side gig for you. So is getting paid to text legit? Absolutely. As long as you are using verified, trusted platforms like the ones I have shared. Now, are you going to become a millionaire overnight? Of course not. But can you earn extra money weekly just by chatting and staying consistent? 100%. These platforms are great for people who love to type, have good communication skills, and want flexible remote work. So, which one of these would you try first? Let me know in the comments. And I'm genuinely curious to hear your pick. And if you find this video helpful, do me a quick favor, hit the like button so YouTube knows to show this to more people.